Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through using the theme options available within Ballard for WordPress. So like all our themes, the theme options available can be accessed via the customize link in your admin bar, or if you're in your dashboard you can go to appearance and customize. And within here you'll see a few options available. The first one is the update settings. So this is where you can actually set up automatic updates for your theme using your Envato username and API key. Below this we've got a default WordPress option in the form of the site ID. This is where you can specify the title and tagline as well as the favicon. Below this you can set the primary colour, which will be used as, say, the accent colour for certain areas, as well as the background style depending on the style you're aiming for. Just makes it very easy to switch between. Below this we've got the menu options. This is where you can build and create menus. I personally don't like this. I prefer to use the dedicated area which you'll find under appearance and menus. But it's there if you want it. The same as below, we've got the widget area where you can specify the widgets that go in the footer if you wish. Again, I personally prefer to use the dedicated admin area, just gives you a bit more room to breathe. Next up, we've got the static front page option. This is where if you're using the theme to display your CV, etc., you can specify the front page as a specific page rather than showing your latest posts. Below that we've got WordPress's default additional CSS area, which if you want to style something a bit more to your tastes, you can use your own custom code there to do so. Then we've got the blog archive settings. This will be the settings which control the actual archive area or where your blog posts sit. So to give you a better example, if I just quit out of here and actually navigate to our blog page. You can see here we've got a few different options for the layout. Currently we've got it set to personal, but we can switch between them. So if you would like a list of posts, so on and so forth, you can change them here. And if you're using the restaurant style of blog, you can specify an area an image to be used there as well, just to show you. So you can see there, in that particular layout, you can show a nice little random image there. Obviously the idea there being food, but you can put whatever you like. Next up we've got the header settings. This is where you can specify your own logo, as well as your own contact details, which go into the area here. So you can change the text and things here, as well as the link which is used for the slide in contact area. So if we just open that up, you can see we've currently got that set to the primary background colour, which will be the colour we specified under here. But you can change this to be light, dark, whatever you want. It's really up to you. I'll keep this with something nice and dark. And obviously when you do want to use this area, if you want to pop a form in there, you can pop in your contact form shortcode here also. Next up we've got the navigation settings. So here where we've got the navigation menu, it's currently set to vertical. You can have that as horizontal if you prefer. Here we've got the portfolio settings, which control the layout that's used for your single projects as well as your portfolio archive. If you do want a little bit more information on this, we do have a specific video on that, which I suggest you check out. And finally we've got the footer settings, so you can specify your social icons as well as any particular text you would like to display just here. And of course, as you can see below, we've got some random widgets in the footer area at the moment, but you can use whatever widgets you wish down here as well. And that's it. I hope this has been useful. If you do have any more questions, then do come see me over at support and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.